Honestly, filters, I didn't really give much thought to filters for the GoPro. Since GoPro Hero 9 brought back the detachable lens cover, you can attach filters instead without adding some stupid bulky external adapter. So a company called Freewell sent me some filters for the GoPro Hero 9. I mean, the fact that a company will send me some gear to check out, that's definitely welcome here. Welcome to my channel. GoPro released a Hero 9 and I went out and bought it. I didn't think I needed it, but I'm having a lot of fun with this thing. And I have done several videos on it and still have a few more up my sleeve. So if you are interested in that stuff, make sure you click subscribe. And if you're not interested in this stuff, that means you're watching this to support my channel. And I thank you for that. All right, to the filters. So Freewell is a company that contacted me asking if I would review their filters if they sent it to me. They didn't pay me any money to make this video. They just sent me the product and I think I get to keep it, which is awesome. So they sent me the standard day 4-pack and a long exposure neutral density 1000 filter. And we're gonna open up the box and see what's inside. This is packaged so nice. They look so, wow. So it comes with an ND8, ND16, ND32, and a polarizer. So here's where it gets embarrassing, and I have to get this off my chest. But a couple videos back when me and my wife were walking doing the media mod review, I complained about the picture. Hey, it's me again. You can tell that the video is actually a little bit terrible. I completely forgot that I left the polarizing filter on. It's meant to be for like a more bright day, not like evening when the sun's down, and that's one of the reasons why it was a softer image. But now I've said it and I can make my peace with it. Okay, yes, and they also sent the ND1000 for long exposure. Woo. Since the GoPro is at its best quality in the daylight, these filters will actually enhance that more. They lower the shutter speed, so it restricts the amount of light that hits the sensor and gives it a much more cinematic look instead of everything being bright and in focus. Polarizing filter, it helps get rid of glare from natural reflective surfaces. So if it's a bright sunny day, if you're out near water and the water is really bright, you pop this thing on and it helps reduce that. The ND8 slows the shutter down by 3 f-stops, which makes it ideal for cloudy conditions. The ND16 slows it down 4 f-stops, which makes it perfect for like just normal daylight conditions. The ND32 slows it down by 5 f-stops, which is great for like super sunny conditions. Also, if you're ever filming with the sun, it stops that like big lens flare from happening. So perfect for that. It kind of makes it a little bit more cinematic looking too. And then you have the ND1000, which cuts the light by 10 f-stops. So it's perfect for those longer exposure shots. And if you look at their website at the moment, they actually have other ones as well, like ND4, ND64, and they're adding new things all the time. So do you need these filters? I would say if you're using GoPro in a more professional way, these filters would be great to have with you on shoots. So you can actually control your environment instead of your environment controlling you. I mean, if you're just someone who wants to film stuff at home for the memories, it's not that expensive to just have with you, but I don't know if you need them. So there we go. Hope that helps. Again, thank you Freewell for sending these to me. I will look forward to playing with these more and more, and you'll probably see them on some other upcoming videos I do with the GoPro because, yeah, I'm a fan. All right, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you can reach it. More videos coming out all the time on this channel, so I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. I do have a music channel that I'm trying to push, so if you can come over and support it, that would mean a lot to me. Whoa.